This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get gold in Clash of Clans fast. Start by upgrading collectors and army camps to increase raid frequency and loot intake early. Learn efficient attack compositions like Barch or Giant Healer hybrids to clear storages quickly and consistently. Use shields, next, and boost timing to avoid idle builders and maximize active raiding windows. Track league bonuses and clan perks to stack gains and reduce grind time overall. Plan attacks around resource layout and defense cooldowns to maximize gold per raid. Choose troops that match base design, Barch for open collectors and Goblin Knife for centralized storages. Time spells to protect core damage dealers and open compartments quickly to reach Town Hall and storages. Keep troop training costs low to allow multiple consecutive raids without long wait times. Rotate between farming and pushing to take advantage of league loot multipliers. Shift your base design to farming mode when you need gold fast, protecting storages while accepting easy trophy losses. Keep a balanced upgrade queue so builders are always active and you avoid long idle periods that stall progress. Participate in clan games, events, and seasonal challenges to earn consistent bonus resources. Use shields and necks strategically to find easy pickings and sequence upgrades around boost windows for maximum efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.